Did you know that push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength, yet many women shy away from them? If you've ever felt intimidated by push-ups or thought they were too difficult, this video is for you. We'll break down the push-up in a way that makes it accessible and achievable, so you can confidently add it to your routine. Hi everyone, I'm here, a certified health coach and fitness enthusiast with over 5 years of experience helping people build strength and confidence. I remember when I first started doing push-ups, I struggled to do even one. Through practice and the right techniques, I transformed my abilities, and now I want to help you do the same. Together, we'll conquer the push-up challenge. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about doing push-ups as a beginner. We'll start by discussing the benefits of push-ups, then move into proper form and technique, variations for different fitness levels, and tips for building strength over time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to do push-ups effectively, making it a powerful addition to your home workout routine. Many beginners, especially women, find push-ups challenging for various reasons. Physical strength: push-ups require upper body and core strength, which many beginners may not have developed yet. Form and technique: without proper guidance, it's easy to perform push-ups incorrectly, leading to frustration or even injury. Lack of confidence: the fear of not being able to perform a push-up correctly can discourage many from even trying. This struggle can lead to a feeling of inadequacy in your fitness journey. You might feel overwhelmed when you see others performing push-ups with ease or think, "I'll never be able to do that." This mindset can prevent you from progressing and exploring other strength-building exercises, ultimately hindering your fitness goals. Let me share the story of Mia, a beginner who felt intimidated by push-ups. She avoided them entirely, focusing only on other exercises. After realizing she wasn't progressing in her upper body strength, she decided to face her fear. By following a structured approach to learn push-ups, she went from struggling to do one push-up to confidently completing multiple sets. Mia's story shows that with the right guidance and mindset, anyone can succeed. To help you conquer push-ups, we'll focus on 3 main components: proper form, progressive variations, and strength-building techniques. This approach ensures that you not only learn how to do push-ups but also build the confidence to include them in your regular workouts. Understanding the push-up position. Start by getting into the high plank position. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engaging your core is key to maintaining good form. If full push-ups feel too challenging, begin with modified push-ups on your knees. This position reduces the weight you're lifting, making it easier to complete the movement without compromising form. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them at a 45-degree angle to your body. Aim to lower your chest to the floor while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees or toes. Push back up through your palms, engaging your core throughout the movement. Once you're comfortable with modified push-ups, try incline push-ups using a sturdy surface like a bench or a wall. This variation decreases the intensity, allowing you to build strength before transitioning to full push-ups. Gradual progression to full push-ups: as you gain strength, gradually transition to full push-ups. Start by attempting one full push-up at the end of your modified sets, and over time, increase the number of full push-ups you do. To support your push-up performance, include exercises that target the shoulders, chest, and triceps in your routine. Exercises like shoulder presses, tricep dips, and chest presses can significantly enhance your strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Research shows that compound movements are highly effective for building strength and improving muscle coordination, making push-ups a valuable addition to any workout routine. Fitness expert Dr. John Doe emphasizes the importance of mastering form before increasing repetitions. He states, "Focusing on quality over quantity leads to better muscle engagement and reduces the risk of injury." This is crucial for beginners, especially when learning a new exercise like push-ups. Include a diagram illustrating the proper push-up position, highlighting key muscle groups engaged. Use side-by-side comparisons of proper and improper form to illustrate common mistakes. Live demonstrations of modified push-ups, incline push-ups, and full push-ups, with clear instructions and emphasis on form. Show progressions from one variation to the next, explaining how to know when it's time to advance. Interactive elements, on-screen text highlighting key points and tips during demonstrations. Split screens showing different angles of push-up techniques for better understanding. Many beginners struggle with common mistakes like flaring elbows, sagging hips, or holding their breath. Here's how to avoid these pitfalls. Keep your elbows close, avoid flaring your elbows out to the sides. They should remain at a 45-degree angle. Engage your core. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels to prevent sagging. Breathe, inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up.